Let's get professional. Logic World started with simple wire connecting and at some point got the amazing multi-wire placement. But there are still many situations where this feature is just not enough. To improve this, I made the mod Custom Wire Placer, which I will present to you now. The current standard to connect a row of packs is to make two multi-wire placement groups, from the first to the second last and the second to the last pack. With Custom Wire Placer, connecting packs in a row is as easy as drawing a simple wire. But is this fast enough for you? No, you want to build even more efficient. And with Custom Wire Placer, you can be more efficient. Instead of flying, you can just expand your selection. Select at least 2 packs and expand. But expanding is not restricted to one side, you can expand in both directions. Ever tried to connect 228 pack groups with each other? Done. Get Custom Wire Placer and enjoy a new level of multi-wire placement speed. Besides expanding and quick pack connecting, Custom Wire Placer offers blacklisting packs. But if you pay attention, you will see another feature. With Custom Wire Placer, you can reuse your second selected group as the first group, allowing much easier bus creation. I don't like this pattern. Let's change it. With Custom Wire Placer, you can delete all wires connected to selected packs. And with bus mode, you only need to select each edge once. Almost. Ready. On Logic World's journey from single wire placement to multi-wire placement, we now arrived at Custom Wire Placer, which introduces bus mode. That can be combined with expanding. But why not just copy the pattern of the first group onto the second group? Oops, messed up. You might have noticed in the last clip that Custom Wire Placer adds a whole new dimension to wire placement. Boom! Selecting 2D regions is now possible. And of course, fast pack connecting works with 2D regions as well. You start with the first axis, and then define the offsets that the starting packs have to be stacked in. There is however no 3D, so to get the same effect you might make use of Custom Wire Placer's freeform collecting of packs, also known as whitelisting. The selection mechanic could be much better though. Here you need to repeatedly expand. The mouse wheel helps with that. Once you understood the ways of 2D selections, you might attempt doing more crazy things. Sorry cheese, took your decoder apart. Let's fix it real quick. You might see that now I'm connecting a 2D with a 1D group of packs. Did you ever try to connect 2D regions with each other? It's no fun, I can tell you. Your build style will adjust to make this less work, but does it really have to? Of course not. With Custom Wire Placer you can create one 2D region and copy it over. A few seconds job. Unless you are working with complex selections, like in this system. It is, however, a little bit tricky to collect more complex patterns of packs in one group. But it is very easy for aligned packs. Oops, wrong direction. First axis. Second axis. Second group first axis. What the hell 1? What the hell 2? What the hell 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Bob, all good now? If this confused you, have a look at the status window in the top left corner. Getting rid of all wires from selected packs takes a single key press. But mind the index when doing 2D operations. If you choose the wrong axis first, the wires do not look the same as before. And this image now shows abstract art. Quick, undo. So the same again, but this time the horizontal axis goes first. There we go, Ryan TV repaired. Connecting my modded display was a huge pain, and I did it without custom wire placer. Every other pack and every 16th with an offset of 8 packs have to be skipped. Doing this in vanilla requires about 7 multi-wire placement operations, and don't dare to be off by 1. I was multiple times. With custom wire placer, it is also a bit of flying back and forth, but all in all, it is just one single operation. There we go, all neatly aligned. One of the biggest issues that custom wire placer tries to improve is decoder building. By default, the skipping of the wire placer selects one pack and then skips n packs. Custom wire placer adds an additional skip mode, where n packs will be skipped and then n packs selected, which is ideal for decoder building. In this mode, the skip values can be automatically rounded to binary place values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, etc. Ever had the issue where you select packs and start skipping, but you selected the wrong starting pack? Custom wire placer allows you to change the starting pack for skipping. The whole skipping pattern can be moved.
Disclaimer: Custom wire placer provides a set of tools to place wires more easily. It tries its best to be as user-friendly as possible while doing so. However, there are several scenarios where you cannot apply it. Adding new and more complex features requires them to be accessible in a user-friendly manner.
Are you hooked and want to use custom wire placer? Check out the tutorial video and learn how to install and use it. Link in description.